So welcome back. We're going to do another slope of a line given points. This time the points given are 12, negative 18, and 12, 20. Notice again, graphing can be a little tedious if you're trying to do it by counting by ones. Now you could create creative scales, or you can just kind of freehand it all together. So I know I have to go 12, negative 18, so I'm going to go right 12. I know I have to be somewhere here in the fourth quadrant. So there's 12, negative 18. I'm just going to kind of sketch it a little bit to give myself an idea. The other one up here is 12, 20. So again, I got to go right 12 and up 20. That's going to put me up here in the first quadrant somewhere. And my line would be drawn through those 2 points. What we pick up on is this is a vertical line, and from our discussions, we know that vertical lines actually do not have a slope. So the graph would tell me that this is a no slope. You also could kind of look at it as, your change in y's. It went from negative 18, that would be 18, and then another 20. That would be a change of 38 in the y direction. But notice that there's no left to right movement, so the change in the x's would be 0. And 38 divided by 0, let's see, that's actually going to be undefined. Yeah, that's what we said. You cannot divide by 0, that's right. So, make myself think there. So you can't have that 0 there because you can't multiply a number by 0 to get 38, so let's tell me that that is undefined or no slope. If I use my table, I have my 12, 20, and my 12, negative 18. I kind of pick up on that the change in the y's, it went down from a 20 to a negative 18. That's a change of a negative 38. The change in the x's is there's no change. So again, I get that negative 30 over 0. That's still going to be no slope. Bless me. Sorry about that. So no slope would be the result there from my table. If I'm using my formula, so if I call this my x1, and this is my y1, and this is my x2, and this is my y2. So you're going to have 20 y2 minus y1, 20 take away a negative 18, and a 12 minus 12. And I get 20 plus 18 over 0, and that's going to give me 38 over 0, which still tells me no slope. So again, you can write no slope, or also you can use the word undefined. Those are the two ways that I'm familiar with of writing it when the slope is a vertical line. It does not have a specific value that goes with that. So we write down it doesn't have a slope, no slope. So let's see if there's another example that goes with this. Stay tuned.